What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do the fireworks. Ow! Sorry. We're gonna do the fireworks. So I'm gonna go outside, backyard. So, here's my dad. This is my dad who will do the fireworks.
Happy 4th of July.
Yeah. By the way, guys, happy 4th of July. Have a great day. Have a great fireworks day. Now you can do the fireworks. Enjoy the show. Not really the show. This is I might talk. It might hear a lot of noises that you can hear it. So you might have to hear
You ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. You might hear some loud noises, so don't put the volume too high. Right there. Now run. Look at that, guys. That means we're having fun. Do more. Come on, do more. Oh, there's some other fireworks you might hear some loud noises. That's really loud. By the way, I'm coming to your house. See that? I might show a video tomorrow. Might. See? You got to do this at home. Don't. I think this might be the first video that we do the 4th of July.
Yeah.
Come on, run! Here it comes. Look at that one. Sweet, guys, right? How many you got left?
2 more.
Okay, you got 2 more. And after that, we're gonna do some of these ones. Right here. Like these ones for my little brother. Tomorrow. Oh my, it's totally splashing now. The second one.
The morning one.
Will record me doing the tricks. Wait, put on me. So we got the trick now. We're gonna do these boring wimps right here. Then I'm gonna do some tricks, and part will be sung. So give me a second, guys. My dad will hold the camera. When he Come on, hold the camera. This one. So this is me doing my tricks. It might suck though, so don't judge me. One fell down. Here, one fell. Darn it!
What are you doing here?
Darn it! Let's go! This one's left. Now the show is over. Now we do the real fireworks, guys. Now we do the weird fireworks, the real ones. Hope you like that one. Show. Now we're way in there. I know it's dark. I know. But you can see the fireworks. So Huh? What? Oh, I know. Can't see him, but I know you can't see him, but you will see him. But he was the one. Check David Lopez. Oh, here he comes. Whoa! That was cool, right? You got one more left. One more.
Another trick before the last one?
Let's do another trick.
Okay.
Remember, this is the camera right here.
Okay.
So we've got to do another one. Okay. Fire up.
Ooh, it's hot.
Huh?
It's hot.
Yeah. Okay. Can you hear me? I think you might see us. So It's okay, I can do one piece. One. Done. Now. Okay. Okay, guys. Done it, guys.
All right, last one.
That's one nice. The last one. See, I'm just waiting right here. Then I do hard work today. That's one right there. Now it's going for it. Let's see what we got in there. It's way up there. Come on, we're ready. Well, we're ready. Wait, don't fire it. I want to see the fireworks. Fireworks? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go back up. I'm gonna run back. Come on, let's go. Back up. He's firing up the guys. Firing up. Whoa. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Be good. Whoa. So that's it, guys. Subscribe to my channel, SharkPro99.
Happy
Subscribe.
July.
Happy 4th of July. Hit the like button. Hit the bell. Comment. You're free to put a thumbs down, whatever you do. But when I was you, I'd rather put a thumbs up. But you might be putting this like. Happy 4th of July, dudes. So don't do the video. Ring the bell. So bye, dudes.